The greatest part of a road trip isn't arriving at your destination, it's all the wild stuff that happen along the way. So always choose the scenic route. Remember, you only live once, but if you do it right, once should be enough. So wherever you go, go with all your heart, choose the best company, and enjoy every moment. Welcome to this road trip with me. I hope you enjoy every experience with us. Hi guys, it's around it's around what time? It's around 9:30. I actually thought it was late. So it's 9:30 and my babies have gone to sleep. Well, one is asleep, the other one is not asleep yet. And I have decided to do my packing right now because I know tomorrow we'll leave early. Yeah, so what I'll do is last weekend, which was the midterm, we happened to travel. We happened to go someplace and I used a packing list, but then we were going for 2 days. Oh my god, it's raining. Anyway, we were going for 2 days. It was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then we came back on Monday. So this time around we're only going on Saturday and coming back on Sunday. So that is just a one night or a 1 day packing list, and I'll make it really fast. I'll show you what I had last time over here, and then we will make today's list and then we can see. Okay, so what I found about this list is that it really helps you not overpack or underpack. You don't forget anything and you don't carry things that you don't eventually need, and it has really helped me. So thanks to Susie's Homestead. I'll tag here so you can go to her channel and also see. She does amazing things there. So yeah. This was last time's packing list. Packing list for the weekend. I'm telling you, we left. And as you can see, it was a lot of clothes, 2 pairs of almost everything, and a white dress. That was for the baby shower last weekend. And then you see hats, what. So now today we're going to do something totally different. Okay, not totally different, we're going just to reduce the amounts of each clothes that we carry. So yeah,
see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me.
baby,
I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose it.
good morning. Yeah, good morning guys. Angalia hapo. Generally, good morning guys. It's the morning of Saturday and we're supposed to leave, but it's raining. Guy, mvua aki tumejaribu kuamka. It's so hard waking up when it's raining. Anyway, I'm here. Bye, see you baadaye. Yeah, so yeah, like I'm saying, we just woke up and we need to start preparing to leave because we're supposed to be there by 10 and I think it's a 3-hour drive and it's already 7. Yeah, so let me go prepare breakfast and then prepare the snacks that I'm supposed to carry. And yeah, so I'll see you when you see me next, probably after we have already prepared and maybe in the car. And yeah, I did the packing last night. I didn't show you that part, but I did. And yeah, so this is ties. Yeah, and this is Dad's. He didn't take his supper last night, so that's what he'll take today. And this is mine, the oatmeal bars that we made last night, and some carrots because carrots are your go-to breast milk boosters. So yeah, and that is the same thing I'm gonna make as a snack for my road trip. So that is what I'll be snacking on the way there. And yeah, I find that it just boosts your milk in a matter of minutes after consuming. So yeah, it might look like something you won't do. Anyway, so I'm going to be packing my oats bars under there, and then my carrots at the top, and just start the journey. So see you soon. As for Ty and our house manager and the dad, these are the snacks they'll be eating. So they are basically biscuits, juice, and water, and that's it. So kila mtu anasema hi hi hi. Sema hi. Sami. Uga hi. Hi. Uga hi wambo. Uga hi ti. Hi. Yeah, thank you. Uga hi driver. Hi driver. Ah. Oh. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
If I should stay or be alone, if I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Unanunua hiki na kupea hii. Aje mambo kwenye lei. Wewe abe.
Ina 60 bob. Ngani nani msimu wa maembe? Ah, mungetho ndanĩngwĩra andũ moke marĩe matunda haha. Nĩwetagwo Njoroge? Nĩwetagwo Njoroge? Kana haku hetagwo Jen? Kaĩ haku hetarĩ na rĩtwa? Ĩno no ti yaku? Gwaku wetagwo atĩa? Sawa. Njoroge bro. Akĩandĩkĩtwo bro Njoroge we. Othe marakĩĩta mabroski.
If I should stay or be alone, if I should stay or be alone, I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.